Congratulations on your new Café range. You're only a few steps away from enjoying enhanced cooking capabilities with gourmet guided cooking. First, download the SmartHQ app and open it. Make sure to allow notifications. Select Sign In, then Sign Up Here. Enter your information, then sign in. Back in the app, select Connect Appliance, then Café, Cooking, then Range LCD Display. Once the range is connected, select Range from the main screen, then Menu from the top left corner of the phone screen, then Product Info. Run any software updates, and you're all set. Next, you can download the HestanQ app from the App Store or Google Play. Click OK when asked for HestanQ to use Bluetooth, then Get Started. Next, select Café Cooktop, then Next. Now your cooktop is paired. Select Next, and when prompted to download and connect to the SmartHQ app, select Sign In. Now, link the HestanQ and SmartHQ apps. Simply sign in and follow the prompts to link your accounts in the SmartHQ app. Select your pan and select Next. And just like that, you're ready to enjoy stunning capabilities in your kitchen.